Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sealy brand electric blanket, heated blanket, and on the controller it's showing you an E. An E is for error. If you're getting this E, there's a good chance it's not working right and you're wondering what to do about it and how to get rid of it. So I'll talk about a couple things that you can do in this video. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to just unplug your blanket. And then once you've unplugged your blanket, you want to just check all of the connections going into and out of the controller, into and out of the blanket. But then not only that, what it can also be is if you're using, for example, an extension cord that is not quality enough, that might be causing it. So I want you to plug it into the wall, not via an extension cord, but directly into the wall. And if you plug it directly into the wall, it might get rid of this error. And if that's the case, then you just know you can't use the extension cord that you are using. Or the same thing, if it's in a power strip, take it off, don't plug it into the power strip, plug it directly into the wall. And that might help you figure out why it's getting this E, because it's not getting enough electricity. If you've tried all those things and it's still giving you something, it might be an issue with the thermostat or the controller. But given the prices of these blankets, at that point you're better off just buying a new blanket. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.